Alright guys, I got a bunch of ChoroQ Chibikkos I picked up locally here. So this is a full-size ChoroQ here, and that's a Chibikko version of it, just to give you a sense of the sizing difference in these toys. These four today are all Nissans, and they're all used, because that is definitely not the original packaging. But I'm okay with buying used stuff. What to start with? I guess we should maybe just start with this classic one. This is quite dirty actually, but this is one of the early Skylines. It's the S54B. This is the one where they lengthened the front end to fit the inline six-cylinder that went on to be very famous for many generations of Skylines. So, yeah. So here's the size difference. It's almost like it's 2-to-1. Well, no, I guess not. That's definitely wider, longer. It's wide. I thought maybe I could fit two cars in the width of this, but maybe it's like 60% the size. Okay, let's get this one out. So we have a cream color. It's not white. It's actually more cream. And then the roof is painted black. And then we have, you know, these black headlights are actually probably the same black plastic. I think the whole body is this dark smoked plastic and everything else is painted on top of it. So that's why the turn signals look, you know, black. Where's my flashlight? Yeah, see, I think you can see some light getting through there. So it's kind of nice. You know, from afar it looks a little weird that they're black, but they actually are transparent. Really fine texture here in the grill. It's pretty impressive. And then all these Chibikkos seem to have the same wheels, just different colors. Okay. So this one actually has some silver on the door handles and silver on the window trim. So that's pretty cool. You can see the long nose of this, which is nice. It's proportioned a little bit strangely. The real car. And this thing. Unfortunately, I see a bunch of stains here in the trunk. Maybe I'll have to take a Q-tip to it. This is casting number 29, and then it's got some printed on taillights, which are pretty nice. They have those little lines to separate the segments. Standard construction of a screw and a tab in the back, and then it has rubbery tires, and then this black thing is meant to hold a coin, so it does a wheelie after you wind it up. They go a lot faster than that. I just didn't wind it much. Okay, so pretty nice. I like it. I'll just have to try to clean it up a little later. Now let's go with this one. This is a Nissan Serena minivan, and it's casting number 62. And in particular, it's the Highway Star version, which I've never heard about. Nice red painting here on all three lights there. And then again, a dark smoked plastic. The panel cuts just stop here because I think it's pulled out of the mold only in this direction, not this direction. Yeah, alright. Unfortunately, some paint is missing up here because this is probably played with by a kid. This tire's kind of falling off, but put it back on, no problem. Yeah, this windshield's scratched, so this could have been wound up and played with, hit the wall a few times because there's also paint missing from the grill. But I like to see that there's silver on the fog lights, this little stripe in the middle of the grill, you know, the indication of a Nissan badge there. I mean, considering how small it is, I think these Chibikkos are pretty cool as far as the amount of detail you get in the toy. Alright. I don't recall the other one having... Oh, yeah, it does have printing on the bottom. How old is this Skyline? 2005 for the Skyline. 2008 for this Serena. Okay. Next one is a 350Z Convertible or Roadster. And then we have silver for the Nissan logo there. Black in the grille. Unfortunately, no paint here. This time it's like a... Well, I guess that's still pretty dark smoked plastic, but it looks really milky, kind of cloudy. Alright. But this one has indication of some black seats and some sun visors. The red paint in the taillights is alright. I think it's actually a metallic red paint. This is casting number 23. And then this says 2005, does it? I can't even really read it with my own eyes. It's so small. Yep, 2005. I kind of think this is the weakest of the four. Actually, I think I like the van more than that. But this one is promising. This is a Nissan Figaro, casting number 35. We got some red with some, what looks like a border, or maybe not. It might be part of the casting. I feel like there's a lip there, so I think it's like a raised circle. Some hinges for the trunk. Some nice panel gaps there. I don't know what this would be. I guess it's probably just to hold the coin in place. Alright, so this one just has some off-white wheels, and then I don't know if that's just random silver paint or what. It's perfectly smooth. Silver around the windshield, a little orange reflector or marker, the silver chin lip there, and then a nice texture in the grille with a silver oval, and then little turn signals in orange. This is silver, little silver on those wiper fluid ejectors. So this little guy actually has a lot of little printed details on it. It's pretty neat. How old is this one? 2005 again. Okay. So maybe there's a box set containing... Maybe there's like a Nissan Chibikko box set or something in 2005. Or some sort of series, I don't know. Alright, well, that's 4 Nissans for you in Chibikko sizing. Let me put these on a spin coaster. Alright, pull out a couple other Chibikkos here. Well, this Skyline, I have a couple other old ones. Here's a Hakosuka, and this one has BNDS plastic wheels on it, and I added my own brakes into it as well. And then we have the like 73 Ken Mary Skyline. And that one's pretty cool. It's got that blue racing livery that you can find photos of. This Figaro, at the same time there was a couple other competing vehicles, one of which is this Daihatsu Copen? Yes, just reading the back of it. And also another one would be the Suzuki Cappuccino, which is this guy here. 350Z, I have this coupe here. And then for a van, I have this Honda Life step van. So, yeah, with the ChoroQs or Chibikkos or any of these free deformed promo pullback toys, the vehicles are almost always the same size because they're all sharing the same pullback motor. So they're roughly usually around the same footprint. You can't really consider them scale vehicles. They're just cartoonish toys. But I like them. Alright. Let's get these guys out. Let these guys go for one last spin. As long as I can get, these things cheaply enough, I'll continue to buy the Chibikkos. I like them. I rather like the details you get for such a small toy, as I mentioned before. And so hopefully you'll stick around until that next video comes. Alright, take care.